Today I'm going to replace this crappy trigger, the Zastava M-57 Tokarev copy comes with, due to import regulations and laws, with this TT30 Tokarev pistol trigger. I'm also going to eliminate the magazine safety and sort of get this pistol more the way the designer intended for it to function. The first thing we'll do is take the pistol down using this pin here, taking the slide off the top, and we'll start disassembling it here. Now that we have the pistol disassembled, you could see how they've engineered this trigger to work. This first mock Glock trigger safety here rests on a part of the casting of the frame inside here. The magazine safety is this interlock on this spring-loaded thing here. When the magazine's inserted, it pushes against this, allowing the trigger to move freely. So first thing I'm going to do is remove the trigger. To remove the trigger, we press in on the spring in the back and slide the trigger out through the grip. Let's take a look at the difference between the two triggers. Obviously, with the M57 trigger, we could see the safety, the trigger safety built in with this little nub in the back there. This is the original TT30 trigger. You could see there's no two-stage trigger. There's also no cutout for the magazine safety. So now we're going to go ahead and install this new trigger. Before I put the new trigger in, I have removed the magazine safety simply by just bending it back and breaking it off. Now I'm going to put the new trigger in. The new trigger is going to, you put it in the frame like this and slide it up in. Okay. All right. I've reassembled the M57 pistol here with the new trigger. It functions fantastic. Trigger pull feels a lot nicer. You could see there's the old M57 trigger, and we now have a traditional Tokarev trigger installed. Looking forward to shooting it. Looking forward to not cutting my finger every time I pull the trigger. So that's a nice improvement you could do on your M57 Zastava Tokarev pistol. Thanks for watching.